Today, we're going to transform how you start your day with simple stretches that can alleviate that pesky back stiffness many of us wake up with. Whether you're in your 40s or at any stage of life, these stretches are your first step to a more comfortable day. Waking up to a stiff back can be frustrating. It hinders our morning routine and can even affect our entire day. But worry not. Incorporating a few stretches into your morning can work wonders. Stretching is not just about flexibility. It's about maintaining a healthy spine. Regular stretching can reduce the risk of back pain and improve overall spinal health. Before we start, make sure you're in a quiet space where you can relax. Wear comfortable clothes and remember, always stretch within your comfort limit. Let's listen to our bodies and begin. For each stretch. Cat-cow stretch, start on all fours. As you inhale, arch your back, look up, that's your cow. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, that's your cat. This stretch awakens the spine. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward. This calming pose is perfect for releasing tension in your back. Need a chest stretch? Still lying down? Great. Bring one knee to your chest, hold and switch. It's a fantastic way to relieve lower back tension. Seated spinal twist. Sitting up, twist your torso gently from one side to the other. It boosts spinal mobility. Try to make these stretches a regular part of your morning. Consistency is key. Start small and gradually increase your routine. Remember, a healthy back isn't just about stretching. Stay hydrated, keep active, and ensure your work setup is back-friendly. If your back pain persists, it might be time to seek professional help. A chiropractor can provide tailored care for your needs. So there you have it, a simple way to start your day that can make a big difference for your back. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to take care of your spine. We'd love to hear how these stretches work for you. Share your experiences in the comments or contact us for more advice on spinal health. Here's to a more flexible and pain-free you. Thank you for joining us. Embrace these stretches and embrace a better start to your day. Until next time, stay healthy and keep stretching.